Hello guys, good evening everybody. This is Vani. My name is Vani. I have taken subscription under an academy by subscribing Vishal Verma's Hair's Court, and first 2 days I have seen his classes, free classes, and I was so happy and I was so impressed by the way of his explaining the content and his intensity towards supporting students 24/7, and as well the positive energy which he fills into the students, and through his all theories, explanation, detailed explanation and positive spirit, in between giving an opportunity for the students to speak with him even if some problem arises. He will personally take care and he will try to call us, and he will also attend our calls, though however busy he may be. He'll attend the calls and he will tell which material you want, where you are getting confusion, anything, just call me, I will be able to explain. Even in person to person care he will give. Definitely that is the most happiest thing, because I am from Andhra Pradesh. Sometimes he speaks in a very good fluent Hindi which I was not able to cope up. Sometimes then he comes and speaks in English and he explains me the contents in English, and he'll ask me to revise those contents. He will send the supporting documents also which are supposed to be practiced. So this is the notes of him. You can see, I think. I used to follow his classes every day, evening 8 o'clock and 10 o'clock without fail, and he used to explain the topics not only in a exam point of view, in the content also you'll be very much benefited. You will understand the contents very easily, management each and every chapter wise. I was so happy with his classes. Every notes I used to follow, and he will give homework also. It may be surprised, but he will ask, what did you read about that? I explained about that topic, know that theory, what did you learn, which books that author was written, what was the management theories, concepts, how that concepts was developed, and even general paper one, people and environment, why that material used, why that bridge is constructed there, and including each and every topic was clearly, thoroughly explained by him. This is my new notes, and few of his topics even I have taken a hard copy, and I have even maintained a separate notes for Vishal Verma sir's contents, and I always practice his classes. This is the benefit of mine by Vishal Verma sir's class. I'm so thankful to you, sir. Thank you.